Hello YouTube, this is Dawn from DaretoBeCreative, and I am here with a haul from not Tuesday morning, see, I'm so used to saying it. Small haul from Walmart and the Dollar Tree. I was in this Walmart out of town, and I don't even, somewhere outside the rope. Anyway, they had, and I was looking for some black paper. Sorry about the shaking. And they had the paper on clearance, so I snapped it. So normally these 180 sheets are $20, because I'm out of all my 12 by 12s. Like I don't have any more 12 by 12 solid colors, that is. I just have like the paper pads, which I have a ton of those, but I needed some solids for like when I'm doing layouts and matting. So the 180-pound sheet at my Walmart's is $20. This was $10. So I was not going to let this go. They only had the primary one. They usually carry this in a pastel. They didn't have the pastel one because I would have got both, but they had the primary, and they had the 8.5 by 11, but I don't need an 8.5 by 11 sheets. I need a 12 by 12. So for $10, when it's normally $20, it's 180 sheets, and it is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 colors. So that's 18 sheets each. So they had, these packs are normally 5, and they were $2.50. So I jumped on and got it. I didn't get all of them. I just wanted solid colors because I have enough printed decorative paper. So I resisted getting the pack of every pad. They had some pretty pads, so I only got what I needed to keep up my base stock because I have plenty of decorative paper. So I needed black, but they only had one other black pad, but it was ripped up like a couple sheets. You could tell people were like tearing it up, so I don't know if they were getting rid of their craft section. So they were $2.50. So I got that one. I got the Summer Splash. So I checked all of them. They're all slightly different shades. This Fresh Blossom. So this should last me for a while. And Brights. Now these only are 30 pages in a pack, but it was $2.50, so I still could beat that because normally they are $5. They had the double-sided papers for $5. So I didn't get any of those because I just wanted to get what I need, and that's what I need for some solid colors. So that should last me for a long time. So anyway, that way I can match a lot of my papers and make some albums and stuff and layouts. The rest of this is from the Dollar Tree, and I had some popcorn. They already ate some of that up, and I bought like 5 of these word packs for my grandson because whenever I see a different pack of words, I usually buy them. He gets tired of that because that's not fun for him, but it's fun for me because reading is fundamental. Anyway, that's an old saying. If you don't know that saying, they need to bring that back. I did pick up these 2 little packs. I thought they were cute. I thought these were for like maybe giveaways that you can stuff them with something. So these were 2 pack for $1. So I just said, oh, they're cute. Zebra print, and I can just put whatever goodies in it, you know, some die cuts, whatever you want to put in here. So I'll just put that in my stash of things that I want to use for giveaways and things like that. Then I got, I think 6 of these, the little plastic containers. And for what I'm going to do is just put some, I have an idea. I just got to decorate the lid. I already have the strips, the paper. I haven't cut them up yet, but I have the some inspirational jars for crafting, and so I already made my topics. What I'm gonna put in there, I just need to decorate the lid and put some ribbon around and some flowers, whatever. And then when I need to be inspired or whatever, I can pull it out. So I will come back with a video with that and show you that. Anyway. They had some pearls, and they had it in the 10 millimeter, 12 millimeter, and 50 millimeter. So, excuse me, 14 millimeter is the 50 count. I'm looking at that 50. 12 millimeter is the 80 count, and then the 10 millimeter, 100 count. So, that's the first time I had seen the pearls, I think. So I got them while they were there for dangles or whatever you want to make with that. And got one of the little planner stickers, and this one is kind of puffy, so I thought it was kind of nice. So it has 6 sheets, and like I said, this is, let me cut this open, but it's the first sheet is puffy stickers. So as you can see here, these are dimensional. And then it has, let's see, what else does it have? So this one says, so busy, high 5, notes, plans to do. So you got your little fishtail banners. Got some more of these. All of these got your gold and stuff. Don't forget appointment, important meetings, birthdays, workout, wedding, vacation, things like that. And they got clear stickers with the gold foiling on the end. Whole page of gold dots. You got your dollar signs, hearts, stars, checks. And then you got some little boxes to write in to do, to buy, goals, errands, today. So not bad for just a little buck. Here's some quick little sheets, and that could be gifted or, you know, used. And then I just picked up, I used to always pick these up when they're at the Dollar Tree, the little lace ribbon. And it is 3 yards. And then the spring colors are out. I got 2 of the lace. And did I get 2 of the same color? I sure did. But anyway, I got all of those. And I think that is it. For some reason I thought it was something else. I know I had a bag of chips, popcorn, and something else that they ate. I think that was it. And probably something for my grandson. But I think that's it. So anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And just check your local Walmart. I know my Walmart, the Walmarts in my area, they're not getting rid of their craft stuff. So none of the papers are on sale. But, you know, just double check and see. Anyway, thanks for liking, watching, and subscribing. And I dare you to be creative. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.